Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to edit a HP laptop BIOS. So first step, to edit any HP laptop BIOS we have to take a backup of old BIOS bin. So as you can see, I have taken this LA-H32AP backup bin from laptop BIOS. Okay, I have copied that BIOS over here. So we have this reference BIOS. So first thing, you have to make a backup. Okay, second thing, you have to take your serial number, put it into HP support website and download the BIOS file. So as you can see, I have downloaded this BIOS file from HP website. Okay, so let me try to open this. Okay, yes. So next thing, you have to click on next, agree, I accept, next. Okay, so our laptop BIOS file has been is being extracted. So I will tell you further what to do. So let's wait for some time. Okay, this is the extraction utility for our HP. So we have three options: update the system BIOS on this device. If you are going to update, this is my I am using Dell laptop, so this option will be not pop up for us. So you can select either update manually, means automatically, otherwise you can create a USB flash drive by which you can update the BIOS, and third option is to extract it locally onto your computer. Okay, next, as you can see, this is my Dell PC, that's why it is not showing this option. This BIOS is blocked on this device because this is Dell laptop and we are extracting HP BIOS, that's why. Second thing, which you can create USB flash drive, you can extract this BIOS to USB flash drive and you can use it while booting, and after pressing certain keys you can just update that, flash that BIOS. So third option, you can copy to your any file location, means your local file location. So we are going to do that. We are going to extract this BIOS to this folder. So click on next. So we have to check, select the folder where you want to extract that BIOS file. So I am going to select this folder, current folder, and just click on next. Right now our BIOS file is being extracted. Okay, so this is the basic procedure to extract BIOS file. Okay, next thing, sometimes in HP laptop you get many BIOS files. Right now I am having only one BIOS file. As you can see, .bin is the BIOS file. So 087D1. okay, sometimes you get like this 3 or 4 BIOS files varying these numbers. Okay, at that time you have to check which BIOS file will be supported with your laptop. So for that you can do one thing, just let me first open Hex Workshop. Okay, for that you can do one thing, just drag and open your backup bin into your Hex Workshop, just Control F and set this type for text string and search for BID. Okay, and after searching BID, just again I will search BID. Okay, I will search it upwards. Okay, and we have BID number over here. As you can see, the BID number says 087D1. that's our BIOS number. This is the actual BIOS number. And if we see in new BIOS folder, we have same number 087D1. It means that we have actual BIOS bin being extracted over here. So just we will open this BIOS bin in our Hex Workshop. Okay, so as you can see, we have old BIOS bin over here, this is new BIOS bin over here. So we will change vertically. Okay, so this is new BIOS bin and this is our old BIOS bin. Now we want to copy data from this old BIOS bin to new BIOS bin, the data which is serial number and laptop model number and all that. For that we will search notebook. Okay, after searching notebook you will find this data over here. As you can see, this is HP notebook series laptop and its model number is given over here. and the serial number, as you can see, this is the serial number which is given over here. So we need to copy all this data from this file, this old backup bin to new backup bin. Okay, so for searching this, we will search by hex value. So let me take this hex address. Okay, let me press control F on this new BIOS. We will check hex values and we will input this address 60 FFC. Okay, it is not taking us there, so we can do one thing. We can scroll down. We have to find 60. It is over. Okay, let me take below. Okay, so we need to search 60. FFC. Okay, okay, as you can see, this is the data. Okay, this is the memory offset 60 FFC. We have 60 FFC. Okay, right now we have to copy all this data, so we have to select from here. Just we will go up to our model number. Okay, this is the model number. We will select up to, I think, here, because this is the last data. Below that we are getting 00 values. It means we have to copy all this data. Just press copy. Now we have to paste this data from 60 FFC to this is the 61290. Okay, so let me select from here. Okay, 61290. Okay, this is the memory what you can say offset 61290, and this is also 61290. Just let me paste over here. Okay, as you can see, we have pasted all the data from this memory locations, you can see, to this, to same addresses. So right now we have copied over all the serial number and all those data, so we have to save this file. So let me just save as, make new file which were like this, new. Okay, I have saved this file. Okay, so let me cancel both the files, go to our BIOS bin folder, and as you can see, we have same size 16 MB 384 KB, 16 MB 384 KB, and let's see whether we have copied address of this, means the serial number from that file to this file. So as you can see, we have all the data like serial number. Okay, this is the serial number of this laptop. So we have all those numbers, service tag and all that number over here. This is the laptop model number, and we have copied all the data, and we have successfully edited our BIOS from old backup bin to new BIOS bin. Okay, thank you.